What's up, everybody? Day 2. It looks bright over there, but it's not. The weather is garbage. Puddles everywhere. This is the road I cut in yesterday. Not a bad cut. It's just a little muddy today, which is fine. Gotta work all the drainage out anyway. Creek's running a little heavier with the rain. It's supposed to rain all day. That's supposed to clear up. Today's the only day it's supposed to be kind of nasty. Had some help, so we brought that up yesterday. We're trying to pull some stumps, but this thing's pretty much worthless unless you're digging a trench on flat ground. This is what we got here today. Lots of cleanup. That's what we'll start with. We got this whole pad kind of prepped. I don't know if this is grade. I think it's a little too high to be grade. We got this whole area cleared out and flat-ish. And we pulled all the trees out from this side. That's all these here. Pretty good pile. So we'll probably clean up, work with this dirt a little bit here, push it around and maybe try to take it down a little lower. I don't know if you can see real well with the angle, but we're about 4 feet up from this. I'll go down here and maybe we can see it a little better. Ooh, it is muddy in that. So yeah, we're probably even 5 feet actually, 5.5 feet. So that probably needs to come down. The hill kind of tapers over here, so we're not gonna have as much material to work with that's here already. And I am in no position to start hauling dirt up this road. I am not set up for anything like that. So we'll have to see what we got here. Ballparking it last night. I was thinking we might have to do a retaining wall. I might even end up just building a house into it, build the foundation right on the retaining wall, do a block wall. We're just gonna have to see how much real estate I can come up with here. I mean, that's a big cut too. That's probably a 6-foot cut already. You know, if we go another 10 feet in the mountain, we're gonna be at a 10, 12-foot cut right there. So we're gonna have to stabilize that hillside a little bit somehow. Then hopefully just feather everything down, make it work. I forgot the keys in my truck. I got everything else but the keys. Alright, so we'll head down, get the keys. Man, this is a little soft. We're gonna have to pull in some gravel for sure. So gravel is cheap itself. Gravel as the material is cheap. I think it's like $9 a yard, or maybe it's double, $18 a yard. I'm pretty sure it's less than $20 a yard. But where they get you is the hauling. So to have a truck come out here and dump gravel, you know, say it's $20 a yard, and we're gonna get, say we get 10 yards in a truck, it's $200 just in material. And then it's gonna be another $150 to have them haul it. $150, $180 just to have them bring it out here. And they're only 10 miles down the road. So they're doing well. They're doing well in that aspect, but I can't afford that. So I need to get a line on a dump trailer, a dump truck, you know, some sort of way of getting this stuff out here. but I haven't had any success yet. Let's see. Drop the key, we'll have to go to the other side and get it. Not a bad spot though. During the week, there's like no traffic on this road. The tracks back there, after spending a full day out here yesterday, the train traffic is it's not bad at all, really. Especially since we're wrapped around this corner of the hillside up here, it actually deflects quite a bit of it. Let me get my glove back on here. All right. So that was nice. That was really cool finding out. And one of these days I'll show you guys the tunnel going into that thing. It's pretty wild. It's pretty cool. So a lot of the sound is blocked by the tunnel as well. It's actually almost a little eerie. As soon as the last car goes through that tunnel, it just kind of cuts the sound. It's odd, but it's cool, and it works out well for us. Oh, so you can see here, I'll flip this around. You can see here that I cut this a little bit yesterday, but it still needs a little bit more. I mean, right here between this corner and the far edge, I don't know, maybe 14 feet. And I think that'll suffice, but we just need to flatten it out, cut it back, stabilize it a little bit. We're gonna have some big trucks, hypothetically, coming up here. I want to do the well up on the hillside. My other option is to do it down at that landing down there and run my water line all the way up here, which I'm not super keen on